up, guys? It's Jennifer, and today I've got a nice little big empties and declutters video for you. Lots of stuff in here. Some of it is stuff that I'm done with, and some of it is stuff that I just had to get rid of. Today I'm also going to give you a little bit of a project pan update, and I'm going to talk a little bit about my no buy challenge for April. So if you are into that kind of video, come and join me and stick around for a while. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and hang around a little bit longer. And we will see you in just a second. All right, so I got to my coffee here because, you know, coffee. By the way, I have like 5 videos in the can. This one I am literally just straight up uploading to YouTube, I think. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see. If that works out, then I may just do that from now on, but who knows. All right, so let's get started. I've got a huge conglomeration of items here. I've got beauty stuff, hair care. I've even got a couple of nail things, or maybe one nail thing to talk to you about. So we're just going to dive in and we're just going to get started. Okay, first off we have, this is from Suave. This is their coconut oil infusion damage repair shampoo and conditioner. I liked these, but I mean, to me they weren't anything special, you know. I mean, I used them because I had them and they were there. They didn't do anything magical to my hair or anything like that. They smelled nice, but that's about it. All right, this is from Ion. This is their Color Brilliance After Color Treatment, and I actually put this on my hair after I do my pink. I put this on my hair, and it just helps it last a little bit longer, seals the color in. And I do like this, and I actually will be probably buying another one of these if I decide to go pink again. I don't know. That's still up in the air. Who knows? Next, this is again from Suave. This is their moisture mask, and I really do like this a whole lot. I think this really helped out with the damage of my hair from over processing and things like that. And I am definitely going to be repurchasing this as soon as I can. But it's just really good. It's almond and shea butter. It says for normal to coarse hair. But when you have really processed hair, sometimes it gets that kind of a frizzy, coarser texture. And this helps out a lot with it. At least it did with me. So I really enjoyed it. I will definitely buy this again. More bath stuff. I feel like there's actually more like shower and bath stuff in here than there is beauty stuff. This is from NSPA. This is the Fruit Sweet Raspberry Daily Refresh Shower Scrub. Seriously, y'all, I've had this thing for like years, and I finally just decided to use it up. So I don't know. I got it at Walmart like years ago, and I don't even know if they still have it or not, but we'll see. If they do, it's all right. I mean, it smells good. Like I said, it wasn't magical, but it smelled good. I got these in a Pinch Me box. These are the Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy packets, and I actually have 2 more that I just got in another Pinch Me box. And I liked it. I kind of feel like I didn't get enough in the sample to really judge if it works well or not. So I might actually go ahead and buy some to try out. I do like Garnier. I think it's a great brand, and I do love their shampoos and conditioners, especially all these that are like, now they're kind of duping the, what is it, OGX now? Is what, yeah, they used to be Organics, and now I think they're OGX. Like, Garnier's been really duping those really well. So, okay, next, let's get out of, well, we're going to go right back to hair stuff, but I want to talk a little bit about this. This is the Kit's Dip Powder Kit. I did this a couple of weeks ago. I had gotten acrylic nails done, and I really loved them. I love having them done, but, you know, we're kind of in a financial thing right now where we just can't afford extras, so I couldn't afford to have them filled. So I thought, well, you know, maybe I'll do this and be able to do this on my own. And it's okay. I felt like, you know, I felt like I definitely need a little more practice with it. But the problem that I have is that the brush-on gel, which is basically the nail glue portion of it, it is all stuck together, and I don't know if I can even get this open to use anymore. So I'll try to open it and see if I can use it. But it comes with tips, and I mean, it comes with everything you need. So if I can get it open again, I may try it again sometime, but I don't know. If I can't figure that out, then this is going to have to go away. Let's see. Next, we have some Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the sensitive skin. I honestly, I'm not a fan of this particular water. I like the simple one much better. This one kind of irritated my eyes a little bit. I don't know if it was just me. I don't know. Have you ever had that problem with the Garnier? Then we have from Neutrogena. The lid came off. Whoopsie. This is their oil-free moisturizer, and I love this so much. I actually, believe it or not, I just bought a new one, but it's not this brand. It is the CVS store brand, which is a dupe of this, and it is a complete and total dupe. It's exactly the same thing. So if you don't want to pay the Neutrogena prices, CVS has got one of these for a little bit cheaper, and it's just as good. Let's see. Let's get into some of this other hair stuff. Yeah, we'll get into this, and then the rest of this is makeup. So, okay, so this is Tresemme Hairspray. Yeah, it's hairspray. It's all right. It's not magical. Dove. I always buy, I'm so weird. I always buy my deodorant in the little sample sizes because I have found that for me, these actually last me as long as an actual deodorant does. And the reason I say that is because deodorants for some reason dry out really quick in my world. I don't know. Do you have this problem with deodorants? So, but anyway, I just love using little sample sizes. All right, then I got 2 dry shampoos. This is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak. I love it, and I will be buying this again. It is really good. It doesn't have a scent or anything like that, so it doesn't bother me. And it doesn't leave like that white spray residue that a lot of other dry shampoos can leave you, like this one. This is the Batiste, and let me tell you, it smells really good, but it leaves that white residue, and I don't know, guys, when I leave it in and then I comb it out, brush it out, and I still feel like it has like this stuff, you know, it just never seems to go away. So yeah, if I had the choice between Batiste or Not Your Mother's, definitely gonna go with Not Your Mother's. All right, now the rest of the stuff is all beauty. So, all right, we have I'm actually really sad that I'm out of this because I love this stuff. This is the NYX Pore Filler, and this is the Porefessional. Now, I actually have the Porefessional Pearl now, and I will be using that. Guys, it is exactly the same as this. It does not leave your face any more illuminated than this does. You do not have to go out and buy that one. And this is the same as this. And this is the same price as this size. So, there you go. I love this stuff. Absolutely. I will be repurchasing this one in the future. It is a exact dupe. Exact dupe. Next, we have some setting spray. I actually have 2 setting sprays. I don't know where my e.l.f. bottle went, but I've got this one and the e.l.f. one. I love these setting sprays, guys. They are just super cheap, super inexpensive. You can buy one for like $3, $2, $4, $5, somewhere around there. You can find it under $5. And, you know, there's no reason to go off and spend like tons of money on setting spray. There's some really, really good ones right here in the affordable section of the drugstore. Wet n Wild, e.l.f. I think Rimmel's got a really good one. LA Colors has a really good one. So, you know, just do that. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes, definitely going to repurchase that one. And they actually have 2 now, so I think I'm going to get both of them when I rebuy it to try it out. Okay, so I got these Urban Decay All-Nighter Foundation samples with my last, I think it was the Sephora order. And, you know, it's okay. I used, the first one that I used was shade 1.0, and I thought it was like way, way light on me, and then it started oxidizing to the point that it was almost oxidized to the point where it was almost too dark. So, I'm not sure that I'm gonna, yeah, I probably won't be buying that foundation anytime soon. You know, just oxidation and stuff. This I also got as, I actually got like this little lip kit, like as a birthday present from Sephora, and this came in it. This is from Bite Beauty. This is their Agave Lip Balm and Agave Sugar Scrub. They're nice, but I mean, the sugar scrub, I can make it home. The lip balm, you know, Vaseline. I mean, seriously, that's legit what it is. Oh my goodness. We are almost done. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things left. Okay, I'm going to do the empties and then I'm going to go to the declutters. Yes, I think this one was, no. Okay, so empties. Very, very, very sad. This is empty. Yes, this is going to absolutely be a repurchase. This, guys, is like my absolute holy grail. Hey, Maybelline, you want to make it even better? Give us a pump, peeps. Give us a pump. We love it. Just let us pump it. Just saying. Another one from the Fit Me line. This is their concealer. I like the concealer. Light is the perfect shade for me. It is not my perfect highlighting, brightening shade, however. So if they have fair, I would buy fair for the brightening and everything. But this, under my eyes, is the perfect shade. Not super full coverage. I'm wearing it today. You can still see, got some of those little, what is up with that right there? That looks like something smudged. I'll have to check that. But, I mean, as you can see, I still have some darkness under here. It didn't cover it all. But, you know, it's nice. It works. You know, it's okay for every day. Finally out of this, finally ran out. It is gone. There is not a drop left. I used the last of it this morning on my eyes. And this is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It's okay. I've got this and the Milani, and they're the same thing. Seriously, this Milani is a complete and total dupe for this. Not a lie. A couple of mascaras. We have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Not sad that this is gone. Was not my favorite. I'm just going to throw that out there. I am probably like committing some kind of YouTube beauty blasphemy by saying that, but not my favorite. However, my favorite, Benefit Roller Lash. Oh yeah, guys. I love this mascara. And I think I may keep this packaging, but I think I have found a dupe. I will get back to you guys on that, however, because I'm testing out the dupe like over the course of the next couple of weeks. Speaking of dupes, the dupe for this one is the Lash Paradise, L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Is what I have on today, and it's getting really close to running out too. But I mean, it's not an exact dupe because I think the Lash Paradise is actually a little bit better than the Better Than Sex. Just personal opinion there. Okay, and then we have this from Tarte. This is their Tarte lip paint. Am I really out of this? I am. All right, it's all dried up. It's all gone. Well, that makes me sad. This was also a birthday present, last year's birthday present. It's called Birthday Suit, and I do like this color. I probably wouldn't buy it again because their lip stuff is expensive as heck, but I am definitely going to be keeping my eyes open for a dupe of this. And now for the absolute declutters. These things are just going bye-bye. Absolutely no sense in me trying to keep these things and make them work because they're just not. First is from Belle Pierre Cosmetics. This is their gel lip liner. Used to be really, really good. It has just completely dried out. I tried using it today. It just didn't work. I mean, you can see, I don't know. I mean, they look okay on camera, but if I look at them like close up in the mirror, it looks like old lady lips. So yeah, it's gone. And then the Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation is just no. No, it doesn't work on me. It doesn't work on my daughter who has a completely different skin type than me. I have used it with like a layer of goopy moisturizer underneath. I've tried it with setting spray on top. I've tried it with powder, without powder. I've done everything to make this stuff work. And it just does not. It is patchy. It is thick. It is cakey. And I just don't like it. So it go bye-bye. Holy cow, guys. We have gotten through that. And I am super, super excited. Okay, so now on to Project Pan update. Things that I have panned that are in this Empties. Whoops, I'm dropping stuff. Okay, things that were Project Pan items that are in Empties are Professional and Pore Filler, the Tarte lip paint, the Roller Lash, the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the Better Than Sex Mascara, the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and the Fit Me Concealer and this lip liner. So that's not bad. Project Pan has been going since, well, I guess this is my quarterly update. I started in January, and since January I've panned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. I'm not mad at that. I think that's pretty darn good. So I'm going to keep going with that. All right, so no by April is happening because we are buying a house. We've actually just put in an offer, or we are in the process of putting an offer in on the house. So we're buying a house. We've got it picked out. We know what one we want, and we're really excited about it. But in order to save things for moving expenses, moving costs, closing costs, down payments, utility costs, you know, just a whole bunch of stuff, I'm not buying anything in the month of April. Nothing. Usually that goes with unless I run out. This month it's going to be just, I'm not going to buy it. Once I'm out of something, I'm out. And I just have to live with that until May comes, because I think the only exception might be I am going to need setting spray, and setting spray is only $3. So that's something that I can probably swing. But anything else, and really there's nothing that I should be running out of. I think I'm good on everything. I've got concealer, foundation. Those are the two main things that I would run out of. Everything else I've got like stockpiled. So, all right, so that is it. I am not adding anything else to Project Pan this time around. Although next quarter I may go ahead and add something. Who knows? We'll see. But anyway, so that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like declutters and empties and Project Pan and no buy challenges and all of those fun things, then please click that like button and tell me that you enjoyed this. If you want to see more of these, let me know, because I can certainly do that. I've got a big declutter probably coming up right before we move, which is going to be breaking my heart, because there's a lot of stuff that I just need to get rid of that I don't want to. Mama doesn't want to get rid of none of it because I love it all. That's why I still have it. That's why it passed the last declutter. So, but yeah. But anyway, if you're interested in all of that, please let me know down below. And that is it for me, guys. I love y'all so, so much. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you are created in the image of a loving God who thinks you are absolutely beautiful and fabulous just the way you are. See you guys next time. Bye.